Hello, everyone. I welcome you back again in this training session of front-end development training, and this is session 4. And today we are going to continue with the JavaScript session, where we'll be discussing more on loops, like for loop, while loop, for each loop, map. We'll also go for functions and scope, and the topics would be function declaration, expressions, arrow functions, parameters versus arguments, scope and closures, and callback functions. So, without waiting, let me invite Ashish to continue with the session. I welcome you, Ashish, as well. And I am really happy that a lot of people are learning through these online sessions. Let's begin.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Thanks for inviting me here again. So, yeah, guys, hope you all are doing well. Am I audible right properly? So, yeah, again, we can move to the same phase, right? We can continue our learning. So, yeah, like today, yeah, like in the previous session, we covered the basics of JavaScript, in which till else, if else or else condition, till that we covered, right? So now today again we'll continue with switch statement, right? So what is switch condition and how it will work? So we'll move ahead with the topics that we need to cover, right? So again, I'm opening my VS Code, and you know how to run the file, how to create the folder, right? That we have covered in the previous sessions, right? So yeah, let me revise again, once again to you all, right? So we have covered condition in the previous session. So yeah, so we have if condition, else condition, if else condition, if condition, right? And switch condition. So these are our conditional statements that we can use in JavaScript. Okay, and that will come in the React session as well, right? So these all are basics that's very important, right? To start with React.js. So this is the backbone, I can say, the fundamentals that we need to run. I mean that we need to learn, right? So yeah, and again I'm covering you if you have not installed Node.js. So like I have given the link, and you can just check using minus minus, I mean node space minus minus and version. We can check the version. If node is available, then you can run your JavaScript code. So we have file which is here 4.conditions.js, right? So we can start running this file using node space 4.conditions.js. Yeah. So yeah, now we need to learn the switch statement, right? So what is switch statement and how it will run, right? So I'll cover this all, and again I'm giving an overview. After this we'll cover loop, so for loop, while loop, for each, and map, and many others. So we'll cover one more thing here, which is an array. Mhm. So yeah, let me add array here. So after array, we'll go for and while and for each, and then again there are many array methods like map, for each. So that will cover. Okay. So uh, yeah, let me open my notes that I'll share to you guys. Right. Yes. So we have covered till yet loops, and yeah, we need to cover while loop here. Okay, not while loop, switch statement. Yeah, so let me take this example so that it's easy for you guys all to understand it, right? So copy, and let me come to the same file again, and yeah, so I pasted my code here, right? So why I'm pasting my code? So like writing the code from scratch, it will take too much time for me also, right? So we can just learn here, right, how we can work on that. So already we have covered this code, right, from line number 54 to 62, right? We already see how we can check the score of the student, right? How we can find the grade, in which grade the student is coming, right? So yeah, so now we have like I have already declared here let day. So just declaration using the let variable, right? And the variable name that we have given here day, and I have given a string. So just remember whatever we write after equal to, which is in double quotes, that is our string. So this is our string. So again, yeah, spelling mistake. Okay. So again we'll check. So like let me type here console.log and type of day. Why I'm checking here, just to clarify you, just to remember you, like we can check type of, using type of we can check the type of our variable declaration. So it will give us the string, because we have given it in the double quotes that I have already covered, but just for reminding you, right, it's very important. Because of that I'm again repeating it. So uh, console log, why it is giving too much. So let me comment this code again. I need to run the file. Okay. Yeah, now it is giving string. Why string? Because this Monday we have given in a double code, right? So suppose I want to give any number, so that will give here as a string. I mean a type of the data will be number, so you can see it is coming number, right? But just for explanation I need Monday, which is in a string. So let's come again on the same example. So what switch statement will do, right? So we have fourth here, I mean switch condition. So using that we can give many conditions here. So suppose I have declared as a late day with the day is equal to Monday. So our day is Monday here. By default we have given Monday in the day, right? And in the switch we are checking the day. So suppose, I mean, just let me explain it, and I will update how the syntax will work here, right? So, in the 70 number, in the 71 line number, we have given a switch, and inside that we have given brackets. Inside this, we are giving the condition as a day. So, if switch, inside the switch we are checking the day, and this will check the condition, and it will check is it will compare with the cases here, right? So you can able to check here. Let me remove all this and give your two line of code, so it will be easy to understand, right? And this all I need to remove. It's just the break. Okay. So how switch statement work, we have to give some condition. So like whatever variable we have declared here using let, which is day, inside this we have a Monday, and this is in the string, right? I'm again repeating. So inside switch, we just have to give the condition, and that will match with the cases. So we have a case, right? This is the syntax. So case we have given here Monday. So if that this will check, right, day is available. So yeah, we have already covered a day. We have defined in the line number 66, right? So it will check day is defined here already, which is Monday. So it will come inside the switch block, and it will check that case, right? If the case is Monday, so this is making our condition as a true, right? This is matching with the day, right? So it will run the next line of the code, which is we have given a console.log start of week. So this is start of week, right? We know in basically Monday is the first day we count, right, in normal. So this is the start of week, just I have given here, okay? Or we can type anything that we want in the output, right? And we have a break statement. So it will break the switch block, and it will come out of the block. So it will give the output only the start of week, right? So yeah, let me uncomment all the code and let me give you the whole example. So yeah, so we have a switch statement inside that first case we have given. So this is case is nothing, we are checking the condition, right? How we check in the if else condition, but the thing is we can give some default condition also. So midweek, that will be by default, right? If these conditions are not
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm
passing.
interrupting. I think screen is not shared. So
Oh, sorry, yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah.
my bad. Okay, fine, thank you. So yeah, let me cover again then. Sorry, I missed to share the screen today. Okay, yeah. So I was explaining the day here. Let day equal to Monday, right? And we are just checking the type of. So we can check the type of day, right? That we have declared in the. We have declared and then we have initializing the value as Monday in day, right? So type of day will be string here. So let me run again because you all guys are missed today this thing, right? Let me comment out. Let me save the file and again these two lines of code we are running currently. Okay, so now see it is giving a string because the type of day we are checking, that is a string, because in double quotes we have defined this, right? So now again and I have taken a example, just a simple code I have taken, which will be work as an example, right? So yeah, let me comment out this again. And so yeah, and the syntax of switch case will be it should be like with the one condition. So we just need to write the keyword. So you can see whatever this purple color with switch and late and cache break and default, these are all JavaScript by default keywords that we don't we cannot use it again. So suppose if I want to I want to use it again and again, right? So it will give some errors because inside the switch we cannot write it again, and we cannot use this default keywords in our normal use, right? So this is already defined by JavaScript, right? So we cannot touch it. So yeah, we have inside the switch we just need to check a condition. So we have pass here day, right? So it will check in the day we have assigned the Monday. So in cases it will comes under line number 72 because we have given some condition here, right, in the switch. So it will come inside the break inside the switch block, right? So I can say block. So our block is starting from line number 70. So this is curly brackets, right? So from here it is starting and it is overing in the line number 82. So it comes under the switch block and it is checking the cases. So cases mean just a condition you can assume for now, right? So we have given case 1 which is Monday, right? Which is Monday, and case 2 we have given, case 2 we have given here which is Friday, right? So now it will check, right, case equal to Monday, and we have already defined the day as a Monday. So it is check, it is passing this condition, and it will give us an output of line number 74, which is console.log start of week, right? And break, how break will work. So wherever you are giving some break keyword of JavaScript, so it will not run the other files of the blocks. So what is our blog here? So this is our blog, right, which is written inside this flower brackets. So let me run again. So see, we have given a Monday and it is giving an output of start of week. So let me change the value of day. Let me give here Friday, right? So Friday. So Monday is the start of week, right? So I have given as a Friday. Day I have defined as a Friday. So just it is just a condition checking, not too much, not any rocket science here, right? Just a simple thing. I know for you syntax is new. You are seeing some difficult things are here, but is nothing is written. Just need to check how the syntax. I'll provide the normal syntax as well, right? Let me cover this first. So see, we can coming, right? So we can coming. We have given if our day is equal to Friday, right? So again, Let me clear the console. And suppose I have given something, not Monday, not Friday. Let me give Sunday, or not Monday or not Friday. We can give any other date like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We can give, and Saturday, Sunday we can give. So suppose I have given here Sunday just for assumption. Okay. So it will give what it will give the output. Tell me. It will give midday, because by default, if these conditions are not true, then by default it will give us a weekday, right? So this kind of scenario we can solve using this switch condition. So yeah, we have covered the switch also, right? Mm, okay, and yeah, this is also done, and now we have to move for loops. So our next topic is loop and array, for, while, and for each. So these all are loops, right? So let me create a new file, which is 5 dot loops and array dot js. So again, let me make it highlight loop loops and arrays array in JavaScript. JavaScript. So yeah, let me open my document. Okay. So let me tell you, like we can start with the array first today. Okay. What is array? How we can define the array, right? And how it will work, and what is the array? What are the elements that we can store it, and right? So yeah. So what is array? So array is nothing. Let me give you a syntax of array. Syntax of array. So this is the syntax of array. Okay, and this is empty array. Okay, this is empty array that we have defined here. And how so what is array? Array is a collection of item which can be a different type. Like suppose I want to suppose this is the array, right? So just how we can declare it? We can declare it using let or where. Suppose I have given here using where, and I can define the array using let also. And I have given array 2 here. And how we can give some numbers or something? We just need to open this brackets, right? And 1, 2, and 4, 5. These are the elements. So like suppose I have given, so let me take the first example only. So where array equal to inside the array we have given some elements. So what are these numbers we can call? This is the elements, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 elements, right? And so inside the array we just need to take care of two things. So first will be elements. Okay. And let me give some number here. And the second is index. I'll clear out what is element. So element is nothing, the numbers or the thing that we are able to see on the screen, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the element. So if someone asks, tell me the count of elements. So we have here 5, right? So elements are 5. And index, so you just need to take care of one thing. So array index will start from 0. So but element is 1 here. Then you will ask what is 0 here? But we have given value from 1 to 5. So the first element should be counted as 0. So element, so right, I mean index. So in index the, just let me write it, first element of element has index 0. Okay, and the second element should be first. So here, just in the case of array, we just need to take care, the index will be start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Not 5, 4. So just the two things that we need to take care here. Okay, so now let me tell you how we can declare the array. We have already declared the array here using the where, and using the let we have declared. So this is the array name we have given. We can give any name, we can give my name as well. Okay, that should be from small, right? I've given array name from my name. So let me make a console log, and sorry. So yeah, let me make a console log, and let me make a run this file. So we how we can run the file using node and file name. So let me make name of file should be copy. So no any mistake we can make here. Okay, so now you can see it's giving me the array in output. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is the element that we are getting here. And yeah, again third point, I forget. So length of an array. So length property. So if someone will talk about the array, so you just need to, from your mind it should be click these three things: elements, index, and length. So what is length here? So length means we'll count the elements, right? So suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here a length should be, let me tell how the length will work. So this is, so let my array length equal to array of 2 dot length. So as the name we can understand, length means the size we can check, right? So let me make a console log first, then you can easily understand here. So what will be the output here? Here for length we are checking just the length, or we can give the my length. So easy to understand, my length. So we are checking what is the length of this array, right? So it will give us 4. Why? My length. Okay, let me save the file. So see, it is giving 4. But you will say we have 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the length is 4. Yeah, because length will start counting from 0. I mean, say whatever the elements we have, that is, sorry. We are checking for array 2, right? Mm, yeah. What mistake I did? Array 2 of length we are checking. Yeah, right, correct. So again, let me first console.log this whole array, then it will be easy. Console.log of array 2. So it will be not confusing for you guys. So see, now we are getting 4 elements, and the length of element is also 4, but the index will start from 0. So how many elements? So someone will ask, okay, what is the element count of 5? So you can count from 0, 0 and 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the element, what is the last element of this? What is the element, what is the index of 5 here? If someone will ask what is the index of 5, so index of 5 will be 4. How? 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4. So I'll give some questions on the array as well to you, so that it's easy for you to understand, right? So we have covered three things here: elements, index, and length. So how we can check the length of any array? We just have to create some variable, okay, which is, in that we can store the length. So we are counting the length. How? Array array of 2. I mean array 2 dot length. So length is an inbuilt method that provide us the count of length in JavaScript, right? So yeah, so this is array and how we can check elements index. I'll give some questions to you so that you can solve. So it will be easy for you to understand how elements, what are the elements and what is index in the JavaScript and the length, how we can check the length. So again, let me give some another length. I mean array of 3. So let me like we can give as an element we can give some string also, we can give the boolean type. So in the array it's not any restricted that we can give only number only, right? We can give the number, we can give some strings. So my name I have given here, let me give my surname here and my name as well so that it's understandable. So we can give many strings. So see, I've given numbers also. This we have already covered in the data type. So this is number data type, right? So we have given numbers, we have given strings, we have given boolean value. So true and false comes under the boolean value, and we have given some element as a null and undefined. So let me make a console log of our array, which is array of 3. So it will just give us, and let me make a console log of array of length. So let me comment out this code. Let me save the file, and again see, we are getting our new array, which is array of 3, right? Array 3, I mean. So this is array 3. So in the console we can, yeah, one more thing you can see. Let me make run the file first, cls, and so this is array 3 in which we are getting this output, right? So the whole array we are getting as an output in the console. And 10, what is 10th here? So 10 is length. So just me, let me write here array length, so it will be easy for you. Okay, and this is our array 3. Again cls for clearing the terminal. So see, this is array 3 and we have this array, and this is 10. So what is 10 here? So it is the length of the array. So let me count from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have total 10 elements here. So it is giving us the length is equal to 10. Okay. Yeah, and what is left here? Yeah, fine. Okay, again. mm, so yeah, we have cover array here. Okay. Then for each and while for this all are the array method. So I'll give some questions to you. Okay, to solve. So we can solve in the class in the session as well. So let me find some questions. Give me a minute, please. Yeah, so we can have a question because array is very important. So in JavaScript in interviews, so suppose the interview will take the questions, maximum questions in the interview for coding, they'll ask from array, a string, and some basic fundamental concepts. So this is also very important concept, right? So we have a question one. So let me find array basics questions. So yeah. So our first question is find the largest number in an array, and the array would be, let me make an array. Yeah, let we can assume this array. Question array. Fine. Yeah, I can give the array name as a here. Okay. So let me make a comment on this thing, and let me make a clear of this console. So we have a question which is uh, find the largest number in an array. So how we can find the largest number? So let me make one more question here. Mm, question 2, which is reverse of an array. So the same array we can take here. So we'll solve questions one by one. So let me make some space here so that we can solve first question first, right? So we just need to find the first, I mean the largest number. So how we can find here? So we just need to write this array again, because we have commented this line here. Okay. So this is the array, and let largest number have given some. Uh, so largest number we have assumed the first element now, just for now. So array of zeroth element. So what will be the zeroth element? Zeroth element will be the first. Okay. So just for your reference, let me give a console.log. So what is in the largest number we have given? So we have given array of 0 here just for now. Okay. So array of zeroth element. So what will be the zeroth element? Zeroth element will be the first element. Okay. Because our array start from 0, we already know, right? So yeah, console.log of, I haven't saved the file. So yeah, you can able to see the one is here coming, and if you are writing here 9, so what will be the output for this? Okay, this is the element we are finding, right? Okay, just for explaining. So see, I have not saved the file. So now we are getting 10 because the ninth element is 10 here. Okay, so we are just assuming our first element is the largest number just for assumption. Okay, so in maths we know how we assume. So let x equal to this, right? So like the same in we are doing the coding. So what we can do here, so there are there are two or more than that, we have some solution. So we can, just for now we are making this. Okay, so result is, or maybe we can, yeah, we can go with the easiest way now. Okay, so we have we have two or three solution for this. So we can solve this using loop. The second solution we have for it, sorry, solve using, so, and uh, using inbuilt method. So there are other ways also, but for now we will use some inbuilt method, so that will I will take care of loops and all from tomorrow, because for that we need to cover these loops which are work on array method. So right, for for while, for each and map. So once we'll cover up the map and all, then we'll go with loops, right? So normally we can find the answer now, right? So, and let me remove this as well. So we have inbuilt method math, sorry, math dot max. Inside that we can give three dots. I'll explain what is three dot, but not now. So three dot of array. So we are just making a copy of uh, this array, and we are finding using the math method. So what is the math? So it will round up our value, and it will give some mathematical operation here, and it math dot max. So what it will do, it will find the maximum element from this array. So let me make a console.log of largest number. Large, largest number in the array is this. Okay, I have saved the file. Don't forget this to save the file and all, right? Okay, these are the silly or mistakes that we do. So again, largest number in the array is 10. So see, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So our largest element is 10, right? So we got our output here. So we have two methods. That one we have cover, which which is using inbuilt method. So whatever inbuilt methods are math.maths. So I'll explain this also in the upcoming session. But before that, we can cover this the other topics, which are while, for each, and maps, right? So, and we have our second questions. So what is our second question here? Reverse. Okay. So suppose we have already an array here. Okay, we just need to make it. So we just take a let of. Let me make a copy of this let array. We can take array 2, so it will not throw an error, because it is throwing an error because we have already declared a let array in our first solution. So let array of 2. What is array of 2? Array of 2, we have given 0 from 1 to 10 elements, right? 0, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we just need to reverse the array. And what will be the output here? So let me make an output equal to 10, 9, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So this will be our output. Okay, so now we just take a variable which is let reversed, and the array we can give as a empty array, because this is what we have given a new element which is named as reverse, and we have assigned as a empty array, right? So we can write here for loop. So for how for loop will work, I'll tell you that also. Okay, so we have let I equal to, I'll tell everything from scratch. Okay, let I equal to array of 2 dot length, array of 2 dot length minus 1, and here I, which will be less, which will be greater than equal to of 0, and I minus minus, sorry, I minus minus. And then we can open the floor brackets, and then we can do some reverse dot push of array 2 of I. I know you all are not getting now, but definitely you will understand it. So for that, we just need to cover the for loop. Okay, so how for loop will work, right? So I'll tell you after this question, so that I will cover this again so that we can understand easily, right? So inside the, so here in the using let, we have covered, I mean we have defined reverse with element of empty element, empty array, and we have defined a for I mean this for loop, right? And inside the for loop we have given let I equal to array of 2 dot length. So what is, let me make console log here so you can understand. uh, dot log, coming, okay, log, sorry, log, console dot log of array of 2 dot length. So it will give us an output 10. Okay, we already know what how we can find the length, and what length will return, it will count the element and it will give us an output. Okay, so we just now we have defined the let of I, which is array of 2 dot length means 10, and 10 minus 1 will be the 9 here. So let me write here I value is 9, and then we are checking I of I which is greater than or equal to 0, and then we are making array of minus minus once this iteration will be over. So it will come inside this and it will push, I mean it will take the 10th element here, right? So the ninth element is what, ninth element is the 10th here, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this will be the ninth. Okay, so it will take the ninth element. So ninth element means the uh, array which is having so the last element here, the ninth. Okay, so 10 will become and it will store here like this. I'm giving a live example so that you can understand. So and again it will so what the inside the reverse, so we have a, empty array which is reverse. So inside the reverse we are just pushing, so reverse dot push. So what push will do, it will add the element into the array. So now it is added 10 here, and again it will come, it will run this line, and again it will come here, and it will minimize, I mean it will minus, it will do a minus 1 here again, right? So what will be the next here, so it will make I value as 8, I value will be equal to 8. So it will check this condition, because here 8 I equal to 8. So 8 is greater than or equal to 0, yes. So again it will come inside this loop and it will run this line number 60. So inside that reverse dot push, so it will add another element. So what will be the new element for us? So the eighth element. So let me count here again. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 9 is our the eighth element. I'm just writing in the comma. So here 10 was here and the 9. So it will make 9 here. Again it will minus by 1 the I value. So what will be the I value now? I value would be 7, because 8 minus 1 would be 7 here. So again this I having 7. Okay, so again the 7 will be is, it will check the condition, right? So 7 is greater than or equal to 0, yes. So it will again push the new element. So what is it will push, where it will push in the reverse, so it will push the new element. What will be the new element? So just count from here: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 8 here. Okay, so 8 will be here. So in the same way, from 10th element, I mean from the ninth element. So ninth element is this 8, 7, 6, 4, and this will be the 0. So in the same way, it will give us the output of reverse array, right? So let me make a console.log of reverse. We just need to make an empty just for your understanding. I have given this. So console.log of reverse. So see, it will reverse the array. I have saved the file. Okay. See, it is giving, so 10, why it is giving 10, because we are checking here the length. And again it is giving 10, 9, 8, 5. I mean 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it is given us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it is giving us an reverse of this array, right? So yeah, this is how the JavaScript, I mean the array, reverse array will work, right? So we have covered the array. So there are many array methods are there, right? So that will cover. So what are the array methods? So we have map, for each. So these both are array methods. So let me make some brackets here. Mm, okay, this is array method. So let me make some other color. So array methods we have to cover because this is very very important. So map, for each, and while and for already we have covered. And I mean for and while we have to cover. Array we have already covered, and this for each and map that will cover in the array itself. So this is the next that we have to focus on, this for and while. And there are many array methods and many other like questions I will solve tomorrow, I mean in the upcoming session, right? So yeah, this is for today. So I'll share the document as well. Okay, so this is the document that I have prepared for you all guys, right? So in this we have given some JavaScript basics. So I know we have already covered let and where and con. So how let, where and con work, what is the difference between these three, and which one we can define and redefine again, which we cannot define and update, which we cannot declare again, right? This already we have covered. I'm just giving an overview in 5 minutes so that you can remember. Yeah, so that you can remember whatever the things that we have already covered. So in the data types we have already covered the string, number, boolean, and objects, array, null, and undefined, right? And operators that we have already covered, right? We have covered plus, minus, three, triple equal to, double equal to, right? What is not equal to, and what is greater than, and I mean what is uh, and or operator. So these all are the operators. And what is ternary operator that we have already covered, right? So what ternary operator will do, it will just take a condition, and we can give a condition, and we can do things. If it will, if this condition will true, then it will give the output the first one, otherwise it will give the output the second one, right? So like that we can check. And we have already solved these questions with how we can find the grade of the using the score, right? So we have already covered this also, right? So switch already we have covered, what is switch block and all, right? And how the switch block will work, we have already covered this. And yeah, that's it from my end. And today we have covered the main concept in JavaScript, which is array. So this is very very important, right? This is important question, important concept for interview also. So every interview will ask at least one or two questions from these topics. So yeah, and again we'll solve this fruits wala array in the upcoming sessions, and then we can go with functional and scope things. So yeah, this is fine from my end.